Welcome to live stream this morning. Guys, it's 8 o'clock. Wow. Would have been a perfect 267. I put up a 267, but it just didn't take it. And I had a good size. Oh my God, this is 210, 215, 217. Never mind.
AMOD.
Now, I won't try AMOD after this, guys. I would not. 20% from even 245. Wow. Look at that, 25%, and I am all out of MOOD. 170. Wow. Did anybody catch it? It gave us a second shot, this AMOD, but
Brock.
You guys can hear me clear? Loud? All right, Pete. Nobody got it? I suppose nobody in the room got it? Wow, it gave a second shot, guys. Went to 270. I don't know how. I mean, I guess I was a fraction late, 267. I tried 255. I was fraction late. Nice way to start the morning, though, without a doubt. I am long on now. SPRO will buy more at 195, 188. Phase 3 news should hold up. SPRO. SGBX is going to keep going down. It's going to keep going down, but it would be a good play if it opens up in market time. Wow, AMOD is headed toward red. Is headed toward red. There's still 15 cents here. 155 to 140 probably. Whew. Wow. SBP back at 33.
ASBP.
SBP at 37 now. gonna go higher. ASBP. So they're dropping all the way to the bottom every time since 7 o'clock. Whatever the move, they completely get rid of it and then they bounce it up. Every time. So this was no different. 40 all the way to 28, 27. It's a new stock. QS is still holding. QBTS negative today, 2.7. HRM. Wolf is still holding. MEX has not moved in a while, guys. There's 37 on ASBP. I think it will keep heading up once it catches some momentum here. Right now, it still probably won't run.
ASBP.
ASBP at 38 now. potential to get to 60s. But first they need to break 42, 43. What is para 40 IFRX? No, nothing there. Ooh, beautiful. ASBP. I was gonna swing this thing, but it's already paying, guys. It's already paying. Look at that, 26% already. I held on this. I was gonna swing it, but it's already paying 26%. Why not? I thought it would take a couple of days to do this, but this will also drop all the way. It will give you another shot. There's 44, 32%. And that is 45%, guys. 47.5 just got filled. Wow, 55. I told you it was coming, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that, 80%, guys. 80%. Still have 3,000 shares. I told you 60 was coming, guys. 60 was coming. 7,000 shares gone now. 1,400 shares left. Wow, 70%er. I was gonna swing this thing. I was going to swing this thing, guys.
SPRO.
Oh wow. 70%er. Told you 60 was the potential on this. And I held. What was my average, guys? 32. It was down 8%. I'm like, I'm gonna swing this thing. Wow. And pretty good size at 32 as well. Almost, 32,000 shares. Almost $10,000 worth of equity in there. Now I'm like down to 1,400. I could care less what 1,400 does now. 1,400 shares. What a move on ASBP. And now, remember, it gives it all back as well. Went to 60. They pumped up with the 4 million, 4 million. What a long, what a beauty. Look at that, 70% still. Even at 55, 56, where I last cut it, is like 70%. Pretty hefty. 32,000 shares. Wow. Amazing.
ASVP.
Wow, even 1,400 shares, guys. It's just a killer.
EML Eastern company commences workforce reduction to cut operating costs at the filing. Echo Michael Lima, EML.
IMN is trying to make a move from 160, 150 actually this morning to 191. 3 million volume. I think it's a good short area at 230. SPRO just not able to break it. I'm long in there as well, but just not able to break it. SPRO went as high as 250. I'm in from 230, but majority of my ad should be at 195. It's a phase 3 news. It's a good news. So two really good play this morning. AMOD short. I would have done it twice actually, AMOD, but I wasn't able to pull it the second time. I tried to do like 267, wouldn't fill me. I tried to do 255 and I was a fraction late. All those locates, couldn't utilize it. Like I said, I am in another play. Actually, that's the only play I'm in is SPRO, because ASBP I'm almost done. I just want to probably get rid of it at 67 if it ever gets there. If not, it's okay. ASBP is going to be okay. So what did I see? Let me show you what I saw on ASBP, guys. So take a look at this. So it was coming up right here, 32, and it was completely dropping from where it was starting. Again, complete start from right here, goes up to 32, drops completely, goes up. So I started picking it up, but this is where I picked it up. I said, this is the bottom right here. So I'm gonna give it to him about 23, and then another thing I saw was this right here. Okay. This is right here what I was telling you about. 64 has a potential to go to 64. So this is pretty recent, right? On 1 hour. When you look at the daily, look at this. $9 and gap fill at 183 and potentially 117 and then 64 or 67, whatever you want to take that. So I saw that when it was at 30 and it's a recent stock. It was easy to guess it was going to go 67, 64. It went to 60. I think 67 is still imminent. Again, guys, this is my opinion. This is how we trade it. I'm not advising you to take any trades. Just letting you guys know. But two very solid win this morning. And it did me, and the good part was the size was phenomenal, almost $10,000. And I wanted to make about $10,000, and you end up making almost, let's just say, 70% was at 55, right? And your best was 44. So your average was like 44. You made about somewhere around 44%. 44% in accumulation. That's what you did. So it's not too bad, guys. Not too bad. And like I said, I'm long in SPRO, just waiting for a breakout. If I could get a breakout all the way to 260, touching 260, I'll be up 12%. Not a big size, 3,400 shares. I've been sitting on the SPRO for a little while now. Look at that. So that's my SPRO. A small size, 3,400 shares at 232. It's not out of the woods yet. So it's going to be a little while before it gets to the. I mean, this move probably will go 252, 253. That would be a little dip here. Let's see if it made a lower lows. No, it did not. So curl up 262 is coming, guys. 262, in my opinion, is coming. This is coming right here. A little bit higher, right? Where did I see this? No, my bad. No, I said 262, right? This part. Yeah, 262, this part is coming right there. That edge. It's just a matter of time. Volume is plenty, 71 million, phase 3 news. I'm not worried about ASBP anymore. I'm not reloading either, just FYI. Made my money already, so I'm done with it. Nicely done, Linda. Yeah, that one is a short. SGBX is a short. It's all the way short. And this SPRO has a little time, ways to go. But it would be long, and then later on it would be short. IRBT, guys. What a beautiful long that was, right? 50%. It's a swing long. IRBT is a swing long. Used to be a $30 stock. IRBT. Just about when Amazon pulled the plug on it, it used to be a $30 stock. Nice start to the morning though. I wish I had gotten more out of AMOD. Absolutely. SPRO is trying. SPRO is trying. 5% in money, but not yet. Not yet. Not yet. The last candle was 0.6 million, but not yet. It's not going to do it yet. It's going to require something outstanding from it.
ITOS, Ideos Therapeutics, announcing its intention to wind down operations in the Otago-Oscar Sandy.
What? Are you serious?
Share is spiking here, $9.25, ITOS.
Oh my god, people are probably going to sell this thing, guys. ITOS is trying to wrap up their operation. And this is going to sell off. If the news is any good on ITOS, this is a short. They're trying to wrap up their operation.
ITOS hitting $10.64 at the high.
This is going to be just going in big time, huge red anytime soon. The first reaction is always the opposite reaction. When you start seeing a complete red candle, this is going to be the game.
Balance to deliver near-term value to shareholders, including proceeds from the potential sale of the company's intellectual property and assets.
Oh, they're liquidating, guys. They are liquidating. I am in now. 1060. 1/4 size 1060. But let's see, the drop should be massive that I should be able to get tons out of it. Liquidate the company, sell the company, and these people are crazy to actually try to buy this thing.
SCYX, and Nexus resumes patient dosing in phase 3 Mario study.
Wow, they're holding. What the heck?
Plus an additional $20 million milestone.
I'll hold it if I have to, guys.
That's SCYX.
This is dumb. They're liquidating. They are liquidating. And somebody is trying to make this go. Isn't that crazy? Here you go. Here we go. Let's go in big time red, buddy.
SCWO.
Let's go. Let's go in a big time red. Let's go. You're liquidating. Come on down, buddy. You've got to be selling off. Guys, ITOS is selling off. It's at 960 now.
AZTR, penny stock popping here. Alpha Zulu Tango Romeo, AZTR.
I'm telling you, AZTR. What is AZTR? AZTR is not me. They are wrapping up and selling their assets. And some people instead trying to make it go appear as if it's like a valid buy. It's not. ASBP is back at 50. Doesn't matter. I'll reload this thing again. ITOS is still, guys. But this is like 7 bound, like 7. Even more, probably in a couple of days. If that news is true, unless they come up with another statement. Add it at $3 difference now. If it moves up $3, that's when you're gonna add it. Don't add, I mean, unless you like already taken a profit, then you can add this 11. I'm gonna go ahead and sell all my ASBP. ITOS is wrapping up operation, selling everything, selling their assets, giving their money away to what do you call, their shareholders. It's probably all shorts that are piling up in there. It's all the shorts. Because news is that, right? So all the shorts are piling up. These are all shorts. Don't add gap of every $2. If it goes misbehaves, you know, we're going to be able to get out. AZTR going up and up.
Dropping it out 38 cents. Up 9 cents at the highest company to present at ASCO.
I reloaded ATOS, same area, 1060. It drops to 990, 980. I'll take profit again.
AZTR.
AZTR is running. ASBP back at 55. I am out of ASBP, guys, but I mean it's 1,400 shares. That's it. AZTR has a lot of, well, not really. It has only 44 to go to.
ITOS.
ITOS. $0.22 out of money.
Good morning.
Hey,
Roger said you guys are ITOS?
I did. 1/3 size. Keep going at it. It's a company is basically wrapping up their services business, and people are trying to make it. I think all the shorts are piling up in there. Hopefully, it's not too many shorts that pile up and make it go, and then some idiots comes in and like a hedge fund team and then squeezes us out. Because I've seen that happen too. Keep 1/3 size only. Wow, it's annoying me now. It's annoying me. It's 11. You know, so I've seen like opposite. What happens is like, so shorts will pile up, and then just to squeeze and take their money, what happens is hedge fund or some big buyers will come in and squeeze them out till the shorts like just melt away, and then 2 days later they will just go crazy. I've seen that happen. So every short.
You took it as a short or a long?
No, short.
Um,
Short. I mean, the news is absolutely disrupting that they're gonna wrap up their operation. That's the news. They're gonna sell all their assets. That's the news. They're gonna whatever the assets that they have, they will create and sell it out and give it to their shareholders.
ASVP.
Oh no, come on. SPRO, oh my god, it was so freaking close. It was a 247 and I was keeping an eye on just one candle. They dumped it 1.8 million. Hopefully they just oh my god, I was like, okay, I was still not gonna, I didn't see that breakout, but I was like, okay, good recovery there. I'm getting annoyed with this ITOS here, guys. It's supposed to sell.
That's the three holdings. Three holdings CEO Michael Kors, retail
This is not normal.
Retail channel saw a sequential
ITOS, what it's trying to do is not normal at all.
continued into Q1 that's via conference call. Pre-holding shares down 2.56%.
Because someone is trying to play games with this,
10 cents a share.
you know, it went straight to 960.
Your pre-holdings out with their Q4 adjusted EPS of
And I got like 1060 to 985, 988 the first round. But this is not normal.
7 million estimate. Charlie
They are trying to punish the shorts, guys. We'll have to be careful, really careful. We might have to bail out too. Plan a bailout, guys. If your size is even slightly dangerous, plan a bailout. You can add it, the spread is 20 cents, you should be able to get out. You can add 40 cents, and when it drops like 25 cents, you can bail out. Good morning, Rahul. Nice one, Amita. Well done. Great work. Great work. Yes, BP 31 to 50. So you did follow me. That was absolutely amazing. Yep, I held on that one too. And I think it has a potential to break 67. Okay, so planning to see how I can get out of this. So I'm going to add 1170 area. Let's see. That's the way to bail out. And at 1130 or something, I'll bail out. That's what I'll do, guys. I'm not going to bail out just now. Why would you freaking go 27% up when you are actually selling your company? It's anybody's guess.
Kremlin saying on talks with Ukraine that Istanbul would be a venue for the next Russia-Ukraine talks, and they wanted a country that hosted the first rounds of talks. They say
But from the looks of it,
that hosted the first round of talks.
somebody's holding the fort here. They're actually buying every short that's getting in. And they're going to do probably 100K to 200K candle to make it to like 1170. That's the look of it. So be prepared.
WDS, that's Woodside Energy Group, seeing a bump pre-market up 5.28% to $14.75 a share. And Woodside Energy Group shares trading higher to the company's joint venture was granted environmental approval for its project extension to Whiskey Delta Sierra WDS.
SPRO was so freaking close on that one candle. Good chase on Imad for Amita. He was gonna die anyway. There you go. That I expected this to happen, guys, on ITOS. It's just that hopefully they don't become gangster like. I expected this to happen. They're just playing the opposite game for now. I mean, it's probably worth holding your thing on this thing. But it's going to come down to that, what I just said. You'll have to add and cut, and you'll win big. So imagine that. They're winding down the operation. right? They're winding down the freaking operation. And some people are like, okay, then we'll just go ahead and make you some money here. Hell no. What is breaking out? SGN from yesterday, guys. So SGN 107. There's 1050 now, guys, on ITOS. Stupid people. So SGN, we had shorted at 114 yesterday. No go as of now. Wow, I think it was an entry. Oh boy. SGN A plus is an A plus, guys. What time is it? 8:46. Can it bounce into 120s? Here we go. 31. Come on, get it down to 112 again, please. So I'm in at 131, guys. Oh, wow. Okay, then. 67%. Fish. Okay, add and cut is on the way here. Okay, good job. Good job. Come on. Go ahead, add, guys. 152 stop. We'll just take it out right here. 152 is the stop. Cut your sizes when you get. Fish. Wow. 230 now. 230 is the next entry. SGN did 153 stop with the 138 average. It's actually, you could go long the way it's behaving with the buys. What's the news? There's no news, right? SGN just did the dirty, guys. Okay, going back in, guys. Going back in. Blockchain, short, 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 short. 227 was my entry. Come on, drop it. Yes, I am out. I made my money, guys. 227, 203. Okay, leave it alone for now. Leave it alone for now. Actually, we can do one more time, but we'll have to stop out at 260. We can do one more time. Stop out at 260. Blockchain stuff right here. Go do one more, one more, one more, one more. Oh, come on. 206, come on. 206, guys. One more round, two round here. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. 206 again, guys. It's at $2. So that's back to back 2 times 27 cents. Now we can relax. They will take 12 cents, 15 cents from us. We'll get it back. Don't do it anymore. Don't do it anymore. In fact, I say it can be flipped long with the 185 stop. Nah, just forget it. Forget it, guys. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. This ITOS is still hanging around. This one is looking like a long here. Go for it, guys. Go for it. Go for long. Long. Go for long. Enter like 220, but the stop is going to be 184. Should pick it up.
That's not good news, is it?
It's a blockchain and AI and combination, so it's pump stuff, basically. It's a pump stuff. And let's just sell it at 268, 270 here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. One more. Move up, move up, move up, move up. Oh, yes. Perfect. Out. Out. 2 shorts, 1 long, guys. 1 loss as well. Look at that. 3. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Just leave it alone now. Just get all out. Get all out. Get all out. This is pump. But what do we care? So 218 to 267 and 284 all out on the long.
SGN.
227 to 203. 232 to 206. Those were 2 shorts. Stop out 138 to 152. It might have been 154. Now we don't care, guys. Now we do not care. What it does, we do not care. People are pulling that one as if they've won the lottery. But of course, that's how pumps work, guys. That's how pumps work. Yesterday was struggling. By the way, there is an area at 370, so has a potential to get to 370 still. 354. I still see 354 potentially. Okay. I see potentially 354. And then after 354 is 493. So it has a lot of potential to move up. And as far as the dip is concerned, the dip can be all the way to 227. Okay, dip can be all the way to 227, and it still would be bullish. Pretty exciting morning. I thought it was a great short, and it wouldn't pay us. Stupid thing. So, like I said, 360 plus is the potential here. And then ultimate potential is somewhere around 475. Dip can be as low as 223. I think there's a little more dip. A little more dip.
Life, LITM.
LITM.
Still seeing a nice move from SGN and Side Sports. They announced a definitive business combination with blockchain AI.
And the problem with the SGM is did not have a run before. Yeah, the runs were like to 190s before. And it was dropping the same day it drops everything. So it's not a stable long run upside or anything, guys. It goes up, comes down. So 194 and then 140, 150. That's what it has done in the past. And then it has given everything back the same day. This is just a slightly different news. Blockchain investment and AI. It's a crappy news, actually, to be honest. It's just pump at this point. You just play the percentage here. All of a sudden, 21 million volume.
WSM, that is Williams Sonoma. They've announced strategic acquisition to expand in the dorm market and to relaunch Dormify in 2026. Williams Sonoma shares up 5.69% pre-market, $166.83. That's Whiskey Sierra Mike WSM.
This ITOS just sitting, doing nothing. Went to 1050, but nothing there. This news on SGN is very average. The area is not correct anymore. There is no 170 anywhere as a rejection. I mean 270. There is no 270 rejection unless you go back in 2023 December. I mean, next area is 360s. It's already at 307. 360s is the next area. That's where it can possibly reject. And I don't think we want to short it till we see a really good range even at 367. So we're not going to take just because it's 367 is a rejection, because this is no longer A plus. There's 320 now. So there's 367 is the only area, not 330, guys. $343 it has gone to. It's very close to 367 at this point. Yeah, it's a very average news route. But it is what it is, you know. They did it. Hey, we did a couple of good longs. One good long, two good shorts. Just chill. Done with it. But you have to have the ability to flip long when you see something like this. Especially when you see how they were doing it, buys at 230, right? So that dip at 218, that's exactly... my bad. 209 is where I went long. SPRO is getting crushed. It was so close, this SPRO. Wow, SGN, they still have more. That's another 800K volume. I want to go short at 335, our favorite number. It's 9 o'clock.
Come on, man.
CVNA, Carvana launching same day vehicle delivery in Denver. Charlie Victor November Alpha, CVNA.
Where is CVNA? 316. Wow. I have no positions in SGN, just FYI, 0.
FEIF, Frequency Electronics, and during the Russell 2000 and 3000 indices, that's Bob Trail, Echo India Michael.
I was too early to get out 267 and 284, but it's okay, it's part of it.
BIAF, Bioaffinity, secures U.S. patent for innovative cancer therapeutic targeting CD320 and LRP2 receptors, that's Bravo India Alpha Foxtrot, BIAF.
BIAF.
CPRI Capri Holdings on their call. Company CFO said China represents about 5% of U.S. production volume for Jimmy Choo and Michael Kors. That's CPRI.
If you're long, get out. Finish it off. You cannot hold it, this buy the entire time, guys. RSI has held over 70 the entire time. So if you're long and you're expecting a miracle, you're sitting at like 60% odd against you.
43 clinical results for lead drug candidate EB003. That's Echo November Victor Bravo, ENVB. ENVB. What a exciting morning though. ENVB, has it run recently? Yes, to 185. 185 is a rejection area on ENVB. I think SGN is about to come down substantially all the way to the 250s. So if you can short, probably 335, 345 with the 380 stop, 35-cent stop. That's the way to play short on SGN. But SGN should start dropping. That news is nothing. Signing day, sports progress, transaction executes definitive agreement. What is that? Agreement to do some work. That's it. So it's 9:04. I'm tempted. I am tempted to be in it as a short. I definitely see the bottom, which is 278, 268, and that 250. Any play is going to have a risk, so you just have to manage your stops. SPRO back at 222. So if you can manage your stop on SGN right around 378, 377, it's a good short from here. 335 would be the ideal, 340 would be the ideal entry. Wow, ENVB 167, 184 was the area. Alright guys, pretty good, exciting morning. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all the action and drama. SGN is still about to bring some more drama, but I think 335 is a short. Even with the 280% up, it's coming down. Max you can do is a stop out at 378 as a short. 367 is a rejection area, right? 340, 335 is an entry. You add, make your average a little bit better. 367 is a rejection. 378, give it to them. If you have a 335 average, give them 35 cents. 10%, maintain your sanity. Goes down to 278, take profit. Because it's going to give you double the profit. Not just 10%, it's going to give you almost 18 to 20% profit. I just told you guys, right? It just did 333 or 334 and went straight to $3. Straight to $3. UPXI guys, I am going a little long in there. UPXI is another one that is in the crypto space. Spread is wild. You can't really take an entry in this 1020 and 1019. 1010 probably on UPXI. It's too much a spread. You buy the bottom. And UPXI is also, just so you know, is a good swing play as well. But there's $3 on SGN. Are you going to see 281? Very likely. Very likely you're going to see 281. There you go. 290.
SGN just as prescribed. Went to 289 just now. SGN 3. So if you had a 335 and you just went straight down, it bounced up, but doesn't look like that it would do anything. I don't think that reclaim is any good. It's all sell still. I'm pretty good at reading this. Look at that. Went from 310 back to 290. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed your pre-market. Lots of action. There was a stop on SGN. 138, 154 I believe. Short 227, 203, 234, 206. Then long somewhere around 212, 213 I think that was the average. 208 actually got in. 67 sold, 84 sold. So SGN was as good as it can get. One stock that has not paid is ITOS except one time. Second time it's been just holding. We'll wait for it.